never let it be suppressed, and the world will come to see the true meaning of unity. Mga kababayan, you and me, W-E-A-R-E-O-N-E. We are one, we are one, Pilipinas, we are one. We are one, we are one, after all is said and done. One hope, one blood, one nation under God. We are one till this battle is won.
We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Do ordain and promulgate this Constitution.
And the world will come to see the true meaning of unity. Mga kababayan, you and me, W-E-A-R-E-O-N-E. We are one, we are one, for transparency. We are one for accountability. We are one, we are one, we are one, we are one, for justice, truth, and unity. We are one, Filipinas, we are one. We are one, after all is said and done. One hope, one blood, one nation under God. We are one till this battle is won. We are one. As we march, hear the footsteps sounding, just like thunder keeps your heartbeat pounding. Even though injustice has us surrounded, lift your voice and keep it resounding. Let's unite, for this fight is not against blood and flesh. Let's prevent moral corruption, cause it's starting to infest. Darkness is rampant, there's no time for rest. Let your light shine, never let it be suppressed, and the world will come to see the true meaning of unity. Mga kababayan, you and me, W-E-A-R-E-O-N-E. We are one, Pilipinas, we are one. We are one, after all is said and done. One hope, one blood, one nation under God. We are one till this battle is won.
Kami, ang nakapangyayaring sambayanang Pilipino na humihingi ng tulong sa makapangyarihang Diyos upang bumuo ng isang makatarungan at makataong lipunan at magtatag ng isang pamahalaan nakakatawan sa aming mga mithiin at mga lunggatiin. Magtataguyod ng kabutihan sa bawat isa, mangangalaga at magpapaunlad ng aming kamanahan at titiyak para sa aming sarili at angkang susunod ng mga biyaya ng kalayaan at demokrasya sa ilalim ng pananaig ng batas at ng pamamahalang puspos ng katotohanan, katarungan, kalayaan, pag-ibig, pagkakapantay-pantay at kapayapaan ay naglalagda at naghahayag ng konstitusyong ito.
Hey! We are one! We are one! We are one! Kamusta po, Manila? May lakas pa ba? Hindi ko kayo marinig! Gusto kong marinig yung mga nasa dulo! Yung mga nasa gilid! At lalong-lalo na, yung mga kababayan natin nandito sa harap! Iparinig natin sa kanila ang pwersa natin! We are one! 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 Kakantahin ko para sa inyong lahat, huwag niyong bibitawan ang hustisya! Kung alam niyo itong kanta, sabayan niyo ako, alright? Are you ready? Are you ready? Tara, come on! Sama-sama tayo magpapaanan sa isang daluyong na maghahatid sa atin sa isang mahabang panatilim. Di natin ito. Wow, sabay-sabay naman! Huwag kang bibitiw bigla. Huwag kang bibitiw bigla. Na 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 na. Teka, kaya ba natin to? Kung hindi ay aakayin natin tatayo. Yun! Kaya hanggang ngayon tuloy. Huwag kang bibitiw bigla. Higpitan lang ang iyong kapit, maglalaya patungong langit. Bibitiw bigla, pikit ang iyong mga mata. Higpitan lang ang iyong kapit, maglalaya patungong langit. Come on!
Let's go!
Manila!
Cebu!
Say, we are one!
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 Ating ibig, ating tinig, abot langit. Heto na tayo, heto na tayo, come on! Wag yang, wag yang. Higpitan lang ang iyong kapit, maglalaya patungong langit. Bigyan ang iyong mga mata. Higpitan lang ang iyong kapit, maglalaya patungong langit. Wow, 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 wow. Heto na tayo, heto na tayo, heto na tayo.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
We are
We are one! We are one! Gisa! Gisa!
Hello po! Hello po! Kababayan! Okay pa po kayo? Grabe, napakalakas ng energy pa rin. Ngayon po, sana po ay magustuhan niyo po kami ng mga awitin na nagkakahin ko po para sa inyo lahat. Kung alam niyo po, pwede niyo po kong sabayan. Ang pag-ibig po ito.
Ay, bawal!